Somebody actually asked me why I'm still riding my CRUSTY 620 around. Because I got a new bike. CRUSTY? This thing ain't crusty. Savages. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another vloggy vlog on this most beautiful Tuesday. What's going on here? We are cruising, and that's right, once again we're on the good old 620. Technically next week I'm gonna take this baby off the road for a little bit, for a couple weeks, couple months, depending on my motivation level, because she'll be getting a new motor. So I figured might as well take this baby out for a couple more cruises, make some videos. Oop, sorry. Make some videos. Plus I'm going to Manhattan in a couple hours here, so I get to take it to Manhattan and cruise there, which is fantastic. Pretty straightforward day today at work, so that's pretty good. I gotta get a bunch of shit done, but should be pretty easy. Famous last words, right? And then I gotta go take care of some personal shit in Manhattan, which should also be pretty straightforward, but things like that, only time will tell. It's interesting how bad the brakes are on this bike. It's almost criminal. They probably need to be bled. They're kind of faded. And today is actually first day of Tool Tuesday. Today is first day of spring, I believe, and it's literally going to be 60 plus degrees. What is today? Mid-March. I don't know exact date. By the time you see it, it's going to be well into April, because I got like 8 more videos before this one even comes out, unless I shuffle them about, which is possible, which is always possible. Come on, give me that green. I'm not gonna make that. It's interesting. I don't know if you guys noticing, but my controls are kind of sloppy on this bike. Look at this pothole. Imagine being on the bike and leaning into that. Jesus Christ, that's fucking bad. But you notice my controls are a little bit choppy. Like the fly-by-wire system and the brakes on the new bike, they're very forgiving for sloppiness. This baby you gotta control. Beautiful day. I brought my like heated gloves, and then I put these on at the last second because, you know, why is my nose so wet? Like I literally like just sprayed my inside of my helmet shield with fucking snot juice. There's a speed camera, but it's right after the thing. Oh right, I told somebody I'm gonna start pointing out the cameras, like physically, like the actual boxes, because people don't know what they look like, or some people not from around here. Man, this baby fucking is smooth. Sometimes I wonder, why am I even fucking taking this bike apart? There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. little bit of traffic ahead. People ask me why I keep my bike in gear for so long, but because Monsters, they sound really good at high and at higher RPM. And yeah, that's why I keep it there. Usually you can open it up right here a little bit, but today I'm just gonna chill, relax. Well, there's nowhere to open anyway. Still a little bit chilly. Right now it's like low 40s, so it's not exactly a most pleasant ride, but it's definitely refreshing. Definitely fresh enough. Oh man, the good weather. So excited. I'm so excited to go upstate. Lots of upstate trips, because I can work remotely on Fridays, which means Thursday I go up and then spend Friday working on the porch overlooking a forest. You know what I mean? It's gonna be fantastic. But it's almost warm enough. It's just like, I would go up this weekend, but it's just I can't this weekend because I got a prior arrangement. Yeah, it's interesting how mushy the front feels. The front brake is just total trash on this bike right now, by comparison. What does that smell? Something's on fire. Somebody's grilling? Am I on fire? Am I the drama? 8:47. All that splitting and I made up 2 minutes. It's hilarious. I don't know if that's true or not. Thank you. Yeah, basically going to the office for about 3 hours before you know, going to Manhattan. Quick appointment in Manhattan, then back to Brooklyn, and work for a few more hours. Hopefully go to the gym between 4 and 5, and then Tool Tuesday from 6 to 8. And see, now I'm like, oh yeah, good. I'm glad I brought my heated gloves, because I'm a little ambitious with these gloves. Maybe my hands are a tiny bit cold, a fraction. I think there's an accident. That's what's going on, according to my little thingy here. Oh, the accident is on the other side. Let's gawk. Doesn't look very serious. Just like a, oh, that is pretty intense. Dirty little bike. I didn't even wipe this baby down. The disrespect. The disrespect. But it started right up, which is a fantastic thing for this machine. There we go. About to pull off to the right here. Definitely an undercover cop back there, but his far behind us now. Not particularly problematic. I don't like these grades. Thank you, sir. Thank you. You're fine. Crazy. Usually this part here is pretty smooth. Come on. Come on, kids. Bro, immaturity is just disgusting. Look at this fucking Honda. Bike is all right. We got a red light camera and a speed camera. I think there was no problems there. There we go. This thing could really benefit from a fucking rag. Good lord. It's all a little dirty. Oh, that's a nice spot. Is that somebody's apartment? That's sick. Or is it a lobby for the building? That's cool. Probably a little loud right next to BQE, a little stinky, but that looks like a cool ass neighborhood. Dope ass spot. I'd live here for sure. Nice and slow, not to trigger any speed cameras of any sort, kind, or matter. This lady just ran a red light with a child on the back. That's a good lesson. It's a good lesson. Yeah, that's my normal way, straight. I don't think that's happening. Interesting. Oh, come on, don't tell me to stop, bro. Is this really happening right now? I guess so. Look at this construction. Construction and construction and construction. Never go this way, but it's not so bad, huh? Okay, excuse me everyone. Fucking strange people. What up, dog? Could park right in front of this baby. Nah, we'll take a look and see what's closer to the mothership. It's all fucked. Kind of shitty parking. I should have parked back there. That's what happens when you're greedy. Alright, well, we'll spin the block. There's worse things in life, right? It's not a bad spot right there, I guess. No turn signals. Just straight up savage. Salvage. Problem with that block is that Tuesdays you can't park there. So I was in the right place. These freaking cobblestones, bro. This is perfect. Right by the K truck. I like it. I don't think either one of these pieces of shit is moving today. And by piece of shit, I mean the most lovely, lovely K truck. Look at this thing. The Cushman. A little rock. That might be pretty good. Yeah, that's good. Somebody actually asked me why I'm still riding my CRUSTY 620 around. Because I got a new bike. CRUSTY? This thing ain't crusty. Savages. Somebody actually asked me why I'm still riding my CRUSTY 620 around. I got a new bike. CRUSTY? This thing ain't crusty. Savage. It's a cute little car. Cute Scooby-Doo van. All right. Yeah, that really happened. It's one of you. I mean, I know you didn't mean to offend me with that venom, but the baby is not crusty. 620 is lovely. It needs a lot of love. It's funny how, like, when I ride it, I can smell oil. But that's what you need. You need a new vehicle to make you understand how, that's a fake plate, how problematic your old vehicle is. Anyway, let me get in the character. Let me send a bunch of emails. That's basically all I gotta do. I gotta click a bunch of buttons, send a few emails, respond to some people, send some reminders. There's only, well, I was gonna say there's only 2 real things I gotta do today, but it's more like 4, 5. Anyway, we got the bridges in front of us. Brooklyn, Manhattan, downtown Manhattan over there. Oh, the weather is improving. I'm excited to ride this afternoon because it's gonna be